Masolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at a 30-second question from the Linear Digital SAT Test 1, Module 1. Number 32 reads, while researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. Pterosaurs are flying reptiles that existed millions of years ago. In a 2021 study, Anusuya Chinsamy-Turan analyzed fragments of pterosaur jawbones located in the Sahara Desert. She was initially unsure if the bones belonged to juvenile or adult pterosaurs. She used advanced microscope techniques to determine that the bones had few growth lines relative to the bones of fully grown pterosaurs. She concluded that the bones belonged to juveniles. So, after you read, it's a good idea to process it, go through in your head what was stated there. So, she finds the bones of pterosaurs. She's not sure if they're adults or juveniles, and she used a microscope technique to see that there are fewer growth lines, so she concludes that they're juveniles. Fantastic. You read the question. Student wants to present the study and its findings. So notice two things. Study, number 1, and its findings, number 2. So you've got to make sure that it has its findings as well. I kind of crossed it out. I meant to underline it. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? And we just kind of went through the summary. You could have done that before or after you asked this question, when you read this question. Reading the question, predict your answer before you look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, 2021, Chinsamy-Turan studied pterosaur jawbones and was initially unsure if the bones belonged to juveniles or adults. It does not have the findings. Looks like it's not going to be A. Answer choice B, pterosaur jawbones located in the Sahara Desert with a focus of a 2021 study. Again, it didn't tell us the findings. So that's how important it is. Like if the question's got multiple parts, then you want to point out which those parts are and answer accordingly. Answer choice C, the 2021 study, Chinsamy-Turan used advanced microscope techniques to analyze the jawbones of pterosaurs, flying reptiles that existed millions of years ago. She did do that, but her findings is that, how it concludes is that they're juveniles. It looks like it's not going to be C either. Answer choice D, in a 2021 study, Chinsamy-Turan determined that pterosaur jawbones located in the Sahara Desert had few growth lines relative to the bones of fully grown pterosaurs and thus belonged to juveniles. Their finding was that juveniles, and that's what makes D the correct answer and the other one's wrong. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with these reading comprehension questions when the student does the study, and then you got to answer the question. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.